Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable disability benefits application with MetLife, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official MetLife website. Look for the disability benefits section on the home page. Click on the link related to disability benefits. You will find information about eligibility and application processes. Read through the guidelines to ensure you meet the requirements. Locate the Apply Now button on the page. Click on the Apply Now button to start your application. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal information, including your name and contact details. Next, provide information about your employment status. Add details regarding your medical condition. Be prepared to upload any supporting documents. These documents may include medical records or a letter from your doctor. Review your application carefully before submitting. Once everything is complete, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email after submission. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. If you have questions, use the contact information provided for customer support. Make sure to follow up if you don't hear back within the specified timeframe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.